Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam not launching games problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution will solve the problem if the problem is caused by Steam. The first thing we need to do is run Steam as admin. To do this you just need to right click on the Steam and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. The second step is to turn off the Steam overlay. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, click on Steam tab over here and select settings. Select in game. On right side, enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to turn it off. After turning off, you just need to select the downloads. On right side, select clear download cache and click on it and select confirm. After doing this, Steam will restart and we will need to log back into our account guys. After logging to our account, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to solve the problem if the problem is caused by a specific game. The first step we need to do is disable full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the game you have problem with and select manage and select browse local files. Now open up file explorer. You just need to right click on the game and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark disable full screen optimizations and apply and OK. After doing this, you just need to copy the file location for the second step guys. You just need to copy it, and after copying it, let's move on to the second step guys. The second step is to set our game to high performance. To do this, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. In here you just need to search for the game. If the game is not here, then you just need to click on browse and you just need to paste the file location of the game and press enter, and the game will open up. Click on this game and select add. Specified app was already added. In my case I already added before. Click on this options, click on high performance. After setting to high performance, select save for save changes. Now we just need to close it off here. The third step is to verify our game files guys. To do this, you just need to open up Steam and right click on the game you have problem with. Select properties, select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. We have verified our game files guys. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to move the game to another disk. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, click on Steam tab and select settings. On left side select storage. On right side click on this drop down and select add drive. Select add another drive over here and select add. Now after adding the drive, you just need to select the game and you just need to select the move option over here and select move option to continue this process. Sometimes the problem can be caused by our disk guys. If it is the case, we can solve the problem with this solution. If changing the disk didn't solve the problem, we will move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to reset Steam. With this general solution can solve this problem guys. Resetting Steam won't it harm our game. To do this, you just need to close out of the Steam and click on this arrow icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. Now you just need to right click on the Steam and select open file location. Here we need to delete everything guys. You just need to press in keyboard Ctrl plus A. You just need to delete except Steam and Steam apps and user data. This three folder, except everything you need to delete it. Right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, you just need to open up Steam. As you can see, we have reinstalled the files we deleted. Now we will log into our account guys. Open up Steam. After logging to our account, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the four solution did not work, you can try uninstalling Steam and reinstalling it, guys. But this will also delete our game, guys. To prevent this, don't forget to take a backup of your game. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.